In this video, I want to share how to make money from home faster and easier than ever before. Now anyone can make quick cash even with no previous experience. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money from home for over 30 years now, and thanks to the internet and the ability to make money online, it's been my full-time side hustle for more than 20 years. Stick with me, and I'll share exactly what I do and how you can do it too. If you're looking for a way to make more money, this video is for you. And before we get going, I want to ask you to do me a big favor. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post several new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So, people have been looking to make money from home forever. The challenge is that so many of the things people try just don't produce the results they hope for. Many times, people do not make much money. Sometimes, they even spend more money than they make. And then, on top of that, almost all make money from home ideas end up taking far more time than expected. Usually, you end up just trading your time for money. There is no time leverage. It's almost like having another job, except for the money. And frequently, make money from home ideas turn out to be far more complicated. Sometimes they're almost impossible. Most of them just do not work. Well, I've found a way to make the income I want and have the free time to enjoy it too. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. I'm literally building my income while I'm doing the fun things in life while most people are busy at their jobs. I am 100% convinced that there is no better way to create both time and money freedom. I've found it to be the fastest and easiest way yet to an amazing income. You do not need to build a website. You do not need any previous skills. It's a simple business based on what's called affiliate marketing. This is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. I love it. I've been doing affiliate marketing for years. It can be the ultimate way to leverage your time. But the key is that the business I'm building is not your typical affiliate marketing opportunity. See, too many affiliate businesses are based on products that are just not that good. I really don't want anything to do with them, no matter how much money you can make. Most of them pay out small, one-time commissions, and with all of these, if you're not selling a volume of the product every single day, you will not make significant money. Very few marketers can do that, especially those just starting out. Many affiliate deals, the ones referred to as high ticket, cost a small fortune to start. And while each commission can be good, they are really tough to sell, and that's especially so if you're a new online marketer without a large email list. Let me give you the specifics of the business I build, the one I recommend for you to make money from home faster and easier. And let's get startup costs out of the way first. This one is super affordable. Money will not be an issue here, and the story gets better. What makes it work is that it markets a top quality, high demand product. People are searching for something like this every day. They see it, they want it, and they keep it long term. It pays out the largest affiliate marketing commissions I know of, 80%, and also pays month after month, year after year, long-term recurring income too. You'll love this passive income. I still get a kick out of constantly getting paid for the work I did a long time ago. And I get paid fast by direct deposit. This business comes with a powerful online marketing system and the best training in the industry. We'll teach you exactly how to do this in minimal time from anywhere in the world on your own schedule. Thanks to a simple online marketing system, you can work this side hustle from wherever you want to be in just minutes per day. It's ideal for busy people. When we team up, I will mentor you personally. You will never wonder what to do next. I'll share everything that's helped me be successful. I'll show you step by step how to leverage your time to create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.